Hey there! I'm giving you a first look of the Elle Studio June 2018 kit and add-ons. First, let's check out the kit. To start, we have 2 sheets of die cuts, and these come in various phrases, shapes, and colors. I love the ones that are multicolored this month. They're so gorgeous, especially that stripe there. Now let's check out the 4" by 6" tags. We have this beautiful blue one, this stripe again, which is my favorite, and then this really fun geometric pattern. Those are really cool. Next up, we have the 3" by 4" tags. There's a lot of multicolors in this kit. It's awesome. I love that blue one, yellow. Look at this really cute ice cream cone, and you'll see those designs a little bit later on the stamp. Shine, some hearts, about this. I love this teal pattern. You'll see that on the stamp too. 5 things I love about this. Moment captured, a beautiful stripe. All you need is fill in the blank, some lines, notes from the snapshot, and this one. Everything is cool. Check that out. How cool is that? The Dad Life one for Father's Day, and then this really fun green one. These are the June labels this month. I love that they have the words photo notes, and it's from all of the colors in the kit. These are the June label stickers, and you can see there that I've already stamped on one, and they stamp on beautifully, so don't be afraid to try that out. Next up, we have the Hello Happy Puffy words. Now these are so awesome. You're going to see these all over the design team gallery this month, especially the Fun in the Sun saying. That's just perfect for summer. These are the Jane alphabet stickers, and I'm going to get in closer so that you can see the font. Now these are white on a white background, and what I love about these is that you can color them with ink. These are the wood frames this month, summer wood frames. So you have Love, Love, and Hello Summer. Again, these can be painted or sprayed, whatever you want to do. These are so fun. This is the Shine acrylic word in different colors. How cool is that? The Let's Relax stamp. This has some of the same designs that you saw on the tags from the monthly kit. And there's a lot of really cool things on here, like you can build your own ice cream cone. I love the summer vibes word. This is the Chloe alphabet stamp. How awesome is this font? I used this on one of my projects this month. I hope you'll check it out on my blog, but I love that alphabet font. Okay, we have lastly the Shine 6" by 6" paper stack. So many cool patterns in here, guys, especially these multicolors. Those are like my favorite this month, especially that one. Hello, stripe. I used this one on a double page spread. There's a dots. There's this beautiful blue geometric, some hearts, this really fun red pattern. It's like a hatch pattern. Some phrases in multicolors, a nice lime green, and this beautiful teal here. Now you get 2 of each design, so if you really love one, you have another sheet to play with. Be sure to check out all of the amazing product on offer this month via the link in my video notes so that you can grab all of these fun supplies for documenting your summer memories while they last in the Elle Studio shop. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating!